The gender minister says the government is moving to have stronger laws to deal with gender-based violence. OLIVIA BABSY GRANGE made a statement to the House of Representatives today amidst the ongoing attack on women and children. TVJ's ANDREA reports.
A message to both women and men.
Don't think that you must beat your woman or your child. You must stop it. And I want to say to the women too, don't go scratch up your man and try beat him up because you see him with a woman. You must stop it too.
And for those women being abused,
I understand that it is complex, but for your safety, you must walk away. And to her neighbors, you must not turn and look the other way. You too have a responsibility.
The gender minister says government has already acquired a property to establish the first state-run national shelter to assist women and children who need to leave abusive relationships.
It will also offer basic necessities, counseling and other forms of support.
But what about legislation to, among other things, have stronger penalties for those who harm victims? OLIVIA BABSY GRANGE says the report from the Joint Select Committee, which reviewed laws relating to violence against women, children, the elderly and persons living with disabilities, will be tabled in the House before the end of the month. For opposition Member of Parliament Mark Golding, it's taking too long and legislators have not been using their powers.
And the power that we have is a legislative power. And it's a power that we have been, in the last 2.5 years, derelict by not exercising that power, by not having those bills which were developed by the technocrats under the guidance of the policymakers and brought here. We have not revived them and we have not passed them, and the law remains unchanged. And I think this is a very sad thing.
Minister Grange says the government has begun to implement the 10-year National Strategic Action Plan to end gender-based violence. ANDREA, TVJ News.